You have been trusting a list of AI safe jobs that is already falling apart. 3 of the jobs on the list are quietly dying right now, and only one of them is still genuinely safe. The surprising part, it is probably not the one you think it is. In the next few minutes, I will show you which so-called safe jobs are already changing and the one quality that actually protects your career. This is not the comfortable version of this conversation. It is the version most people don't want to hear. But I will tell you because I am your big Uncle Pat. Let's get started. As we normally do, this video is divided into 3 main parts. And we are going to start with the first one, which is the comfort list. You know, every career video online keeps repeating the same thing. They will tell you that this list of jobs will never be touched with by AI. They will say plumber, nurse, barber, tailor, and so other ones that are related. They will say AI will never touch them. So they put them in a list of AI safe jobs. People call them AI proof career. In Nigeria, that same list gets shared on WhatsApp almost every week. But here is the problem. Very few people stop to ask whether it is still true. Is it still true? Is it because you look at them, you think that once you are a plumber, that AI will never touch your job? How can AI do the plumbing work? I will tell you, believing an old list feels comfortable, but comfort can become dangerous when the world is changing underneath. You need to be very careful because as we proceed, you will see how AI is actually touching those job lists. Don't confuse popular advice with accurate advice. So, let's watch on. Number 2, the quiet erosion. Yes, erosion is coming quietly. This is where things start getting interested. Why? Because AI diagnostic tools are already helping junior plumbers and electricians solve problems. You don't know. There are so many plumbers who use AI diagnostic tool to get information, to get direction. Even electricians, they use those apps to find out what is the best direction to go. You are looking at me as if what I'm saying is true, is not true. But are you not aware, for some of you that know big cars, new cars, there are a kind of fault that car will develop. The mechanic, expert mechanic will not be able to pinpoint what the problem is. What do? They take it to computer. That's the language. This computer app will look at the entire system of the car and diagnose it, find out what the problem is. That means some of the experienced people used to pay senior experts for is becoming less valuable. In another example, hospitals are also changing. Some AI systems can now sort patients before a nurse even attends to them. You are looking at me as if you are not aware. But even if you are not aware, it is happening. You need to get this. The nurse still has a job. Yes, I'm not saying that the AI has taken the job of nurses. No, but part of the work is already being automated. Is that not true? Even barbers and tailors are beginning to feel it. I have a cousin who says that how can a AI do the tailoring job? Okay, AI should come and take her job now. But do you know, I also have a cousin who installed CCTV camera without going for any formal training. And you may be looking at me now and say, what is there? Is it difficult to install a CCTV camera? But can you do that 10 years back? Or do you think there was no CCTV camera in 10 years back? You could not do that. Today, many people can do it. That is AI and technology being simplified. In the part of tailoring and barbing, booking app, in Nigeria, we have hotels.ng and we have other booking apps. We have booking.com. Some of these booking apps can now recommend dressing. Let's assume you are going for a conference or you lodge in a hotel. The AI will look at you to ask you whether maybe you want to attend a wedding, a conference, or workshop. It will recommend dressing style. It will recommend haircut style. Maybe it has even your record. Some of these can also take measurements of you and send it to you. Take a measurement of you. You don't even need to call your tailor to come and measure you. They will take your measurements, you send it to your tailor will do the clothes and send back to you. Do you see that? You need to notice something. The jobs haven't really disappeared, but the high-paying, high-expertise version of those jobs is slowly shrinking. And I'll tell you the truth. If you have watched to this far, it means you already thinking differently from most people. And that alone will help you to safeguard yourself. But you need to do something. Subscribe to this channel because I bring practical videos every week in order to make you stay ahead. Also, click on the like button in order to help YouTube to share this video with so many other people. Now, the final one is number 3, the real safe job. So, even if these jobs are changing, what actually makes a career safe? Someone would ask. If I say plumbing, nursing, tailor, if they are not safe, what makes a career safe? It is not the job title. It is responsibility. It is trust. It is liability. For example, let us think about someone settling a community land dispute. People don't trust the person because he knows how to use software or application. They trust them because of years of reputation, good judgment, and accountability. A machine can provide information, but when the decision has real consequences, people still want a responsible human involved. That is the pattern. The more responsibility you carry, the harder you become to replace. So, instead of chasing the next AI-proof job list, start becoming the person people trust to solve important problems. That is the real advantage. Rounding up, the biggest mistake is believing that a job title will protect your future. It won't. Your ability to earn trust, take responsibility, and make decisions is what will keep you valuable. Now, I want to hear from you. Which so-called AI safe job do you think is already being replaced? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. If you also want to learn how to enter AI industry without having a tech degree, I did a video that will help you to do that. You can also find the link in the description. I remain Uncle Pat. Kindly remember to subscribe if you have not done so in order to support me. And I will see you on the next one. Keep winning.